Hello to all of us, to all people in this world, to all different countries. Same as usual. Thank you Lord for another day. Good day to all of us and happy Sunday. So now, this is my third already. Because the first one that what I'm telling that I watched that, it's already remove the screen, and now all of yeah, it's new. There what's that already system is new. It's not like in the last time, the first one that previous ba. So thank you thank you thank you everything that what I have. Thank you so much and thank you so much. Thank you to all of them talaga. Thank you. Thank you to all of them. And now, last weekends, Thursday night yata yun. No, Friday night, I think Friday afternoon. Yeah, supposed to be. I go with Madam to the family of Madam. I'm busy. I didn't go there and there. The family of Madam. And now I will Hadea, the grandmother of my Madam. So that she brought home. Madam she brought it. Okay, did you say? I have a good sleeper. Oh, diba? I can choose this one. Thank you, Tita. Thank you, Tita Nada, for giving me a new sandal sleeper. Thank you so much again for all that what I have. Thank you all of them naman that are giving to me. Birthday, mga basic days, and she's giving also to me cash if I'm cleaning in their bathroom. She's the one to give to me, and both of them, both side the Madam, both side the family of Madam and the family of Sir. So that's what I'm telling, that I'm blessed because they are already, I'm including already to share with. They are sharing to me with their blessings also. Like this one, diba? I'm not the one to buy. They are the one to buy also for me. Okay, thank you again for watching. And I just say bye-bye. Kasi wala pa tayong ba yan. Bye-bye. Thank you again for watching. And to all my families that you are still living in this earth, both side of my mother and my father, and to all people in this earth, and to some blogger of me that they are still talaga helping and support in my channel, that what I have, that they are very open arms to spend time to watch in my videos, my shorts, my live stream. And to all newly subscriber, thank you so much. Not subscriber, viewers, supporters, thank you so much talaga, that you are belong in the different countries. Even we are not seeing personalities, but you are still helping to support in my beginner channel that what I have, to the YouTube company, YouTube staff, YouTube workers, YouTube mga they're making work hard to support, also to help to all mga vloggers, from the highest and the slowest vlogger that we have for our different country, to our different channel that what I have. Thank you so much already. And mga highest standard vlogger already that we are belong in the different social medias. Keep safe lagi, is still growing up, and that is our blessings, that what we have. And thank you also that they have everything, that God provide what we need and protect everything. And as about I'm telling, God bless us all, keep safe lagi, and thank you Lord for another day that you are giving to us while we're still living in this earth. Bye.